This is the Niltec Art Supplies Graphite Drawing Pencils and Sketch Set. We've got a 37-piece kit here. This complete artist kit includes charcoals, kneaded eraser, pencil case, sketchbook and digital learning resources. Indeed, on the back of the box it tells you everything that we have in there. So 12 graphite pencils, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, H's, charcoal, soft, medium and hard, charcoal sticks, graphite sticks, soft graphite wood press. My goodness, let's have a look inside the box. Where's my scissors? Here we go. Snip that off. Let's see what's in this box. So here we go. Firstly, we have this is your personal invitation to the Niltec Art Club as well, so that'd be very good. Pop that there. Oh, some lovely paper. Oh, I say, look at this, guys. This looks amazing. Let me just move that box out of the way. Gosh, everyone will be impressed if you take this into school. So let's open it up for you budding artists here. So yeah, so first of all, yes, we have, look, they're all, look at that, you have all your pencils all lined up in their right orders. Fantastic. And then you've got your graphites down here as well. We've got a bonus. We've got this bonus sketch pad as well. So lovely sketch pad comes with it. Yep, fantastic. And look at all these things we have here. Oh my goodness. We've got charcoals, erasers, rulers. Oh, this is so fantastic. Absolutely incredible. I cannot wait to learn to draw with this set. This would make a fantastic gift. All done beautifully. All that white. Oh, fantastic. Absolutely amazing. What a great little selection. So I shall pop that back on top, and then I shall fold it back up. Nice, lovely zipper. So everything stays nice, all in the one place. And this, if you want to learn how to draw, this is a fantastic way to do it. So we can learn to draw with a digital ebook library and step-by-step drawing tutorials. You get access to drawing books useful for all skill levels and new weekly tutorials. The art sets, with the art set, you've got all the tools that an artist may need: graphite pencils, charcoal pencils for drawing, charcoal and graphite sticks, mechanical pencil, kneaded eraser, white box, pencil eraser, pencil sharpeners, blending stumps, pencil extender, 16 sheet sketchbook. Oh wow, and a beautiful pouch that we can take wherever we go. What a fantastic product, and what a fantastic gift that would make.